Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. We are at a pull deck cleaning, sanding, and sealing here this morning. It's a returning customer. We just did her driveway about a month or so ago. Let me show you what the driveway looks like right now. Oh yeah, look at that shine. This turned out beautiful. This is the one that had the big scratches along the front area. So they all blended in. Looks absolutely beautiful now. So today we're here to do her pull deck as well. So let me walk you back and show you what that looks like right now. All right, I'm not sure if they need us first or a landscaper, but look at those weeds. This has just gotten out of control on her. Almost like little trees growing up out of here. Now we got this area through here. And this section over to this side. Wow. The size of these things. But we'll get all this turbo nozzled out. Get all these weeds out. That's going to be quite a mess, but alright, so there's our project here for today. We get all this cleaned up, get all these weeds turbo nozzled out, get everything prepped for sand and sealer tomorrow. Alright, let's get busy. It's going to be a hot one today. Okay, so we got everything turbo nozzled off. We're getting ready to start our three-step cleaning process now. But let me show you what it looks like now. Major difference. Yeah. All the weeds are gone. Dug all the old sand out of the joints. Made quite a mess getting all that out, but it's all taken care of now. Alright, so let's get busy with our three-step cleaning process next. Okay, so we're all squared away here for this morning. We got everything turbo nozzled out. We did our three-step cleaning process. We'll let this dry up overnight and come back in the morning and sand and lay the sealer down. So let me show you what it looks like right now. This will be the color that it'll be once we put the sealer down. You can see all the weeds are gone. You got all the dirt, everything out of the joints. Sand and dirt's all out of the joints. It's all ready to fill back in with sand. Let this dry up, and we should be in good shape. It's going to be a beauty. Okay, we'll see you back here in the morning. Hey, good morning everybody. So we're back here at our pull deck, getting ready to sand and seal this. We'll walk you back and show you what it looks like all cleaned up and ready to go. Okay, so all the weeds are out, cleaned out all the joints, everything's ready with this. Yep. Alright, looking good. Yeah, it's going to be a nice transformation here. So, alright, we're going to get busy with the sanding before it gets hot again. Let's get moving. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. Let me take you back and show you what it looks like. All right. Wow, look at that. Just absolutely beautiful now. Color enhancement. It's that Cat 5 for you. All right, and then this side here, man, it's absolutely beautiful. Okay, that's a wrap on this one. If these are the kind of results you're looking for on your pavers, you can reach out, give us a call. You can contact us at 813-853-3557 or visit our website at www.supremetapabay.com. As always, we give free estimates, free consultations, anything paver related. Again, this is Bill at Supreme Paver Experts, and we will see you at the next job. Hey, just real quick too, if you're enjoying these videos, I appreciate, it really helps us out if you hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. Just helps us build our algorithm, and if there's any particular videos or any comments or questions that you have, feel free to leave us a comment. We always respond back to them. So all right, again, we appreciate you. Have a good day.